G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here again. And what we're going to do now is just install this new Sprite Shower Filter shower head, okay? It's a fixed head, no hose, just connects straight onto the wall, okay? Now, it's an absolute ripper, got a good sized cartridge inside, and as you can see we've got a 1/2 inch BSP thread on the end for the Australian standard size fitting, alright? 1/2 inch BSP thread here. Now, just something to note, you can't really just screw this one, and I'm going to put this on so you can see, you can't really screw this shower head straight onto the wall, okay? And the reason for that is because the water is just going to spray straight out, okay? It does have a bend on the bottom, but even if I hold that in position, it's still coming out at too much of an angle, being a fixed head, okay? So what we're going to do is put a little 45 bend on it, and then we'll put it on there, and then we're going to have a beautiful shower, okay? So hang on for a minute and we'll get this connected up. Normally, I'd run a little bit of thread tape up there around the thread. So we'll just bung that on, give him a couple of quick wraps around. Clockwise, always put it on clockwise. So that as you're screwing on your connection, you're locking the thread tape into place. So we'll go on first with the little elbow. Now these elbows are on the site, and you can get some nice shiny chrome ones to match the shower head, but we'll just put this fella on here today. It's a nice rubber up inside the head there, inside the connection where the thread is, and that rubber will seal on here, so I'm not going to put any thread tape on. When you go to install them, if you can, just have a look at it, as I am right now, and just try and centralise the thread in relation to the shower, all right? And what that'll do, it just makes it easier to spin it on, because you can just turn it, all right? And we're going to just score it. Look at that, beautiful, just straight on. Okay, there we go. Okay, and I know it was only short, but that's as simple as it is. Off with the old shower head, whatever you've got on there, and put a little bend on there, and there's the shower head. As I say, there's some nice little chrome adapters, nice chrome elbows on the website. Not as long as this one, so we'll hold it up a touch higher, but that can be adjusted there, no worries at all. And that's just coming straight at me. That'll just be a beautiful 7-stage shower. Okay, enjoy.